Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KALV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. Now, before I go any further, I want to just throw out a quick little disclosure here. I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special talent or special skill or that these levels are like great discoveries. The exact opposite. I assure you that people use charts and understand charts are going to be watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce quite a bit of it can produce a lot of dynamic price movement. So that's going to be these levels that are, I think a lot of people are paying attention to and that, are definitely worth watching moving forward. And the first level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching is right down there at that $32 mark. Now, nothing is guaranteed, but my core point here is this. It is more than valid. It is more than rational to think that if the price comes down to 32 and then breaks down below there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to for sure happen, but that is a more than rational thought to be having because you're just going to have so many people actually watching that $32 mark as an important level of support. On the flip side of things, the level that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is right up here at this $40 mark. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but same logic, more than valid, more than rational to think that if the price actually can recover back up to 40 and then get the break of it, especially if it's a high volume break, that break very well could create a whole lot of upwards buying pressure. So that's going to be another area that many people will be watching. So moving forward, in my mind, those are going to be the two main price levels, $40 key level of resistance, $32 key level of support. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.